every human being consumes 1.5 kilos of food every day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, 3 meals all, and then snacks, everything together. Not more than 2 kilos. And then you drink water. How much fluid you consume? 2.5 liters. But you know how much air you consume? 10,000 liters. Every individual consumes 10,000 liters of air every day. 90% of the nutrients that come to our body comes through air, and the nutrition that we get through food is only 10%. And you know how big our lungs are? If you open your lung and spread it, it's one tennis court. So each one of us are carrying one tennis court with us. And 10,000 liters of air every day, nurturing this system. And that affects our brain, that affects our endocrine systems. And breathing patterns has important role to play. It improves our perception, our observation, our expression, and the way we think. So our food affects our behavior, our nature, and Ayurveda has explored a lot of knowledge